Transforming a compact family home into a stylish and trendy space is not just about choosing the right furniture or color palette. It's about maximizing space, enhancing functionality, and infusing personality into every corner. Hi everyone, I'm Lulu, and I'm so excited to share with you my tips and tricks for creating a stylish and trendy interior in your small living space. So join us for part 24 of house tours as we explore small family homes with stylish and trendy interiors. From vibrant color schemes to space-saving furniture, these homes showcase practical yet chic design perfect for families. Get inspired by innovative storage solutions, versatile decor, and functional layouts that make the most of limited space. Don't miss out on these creative and inviting family home designs. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We post new videos every week covering different styles, trends, and themes for your home. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you and know what do you think. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's start our presentation with this adorable home interior. In this image, you can see the open space of a small brand new modern house, more precisely the living kitchen area. White walls, hardwood floor, floor-to-ceiling windows on two sides, with opening to a magnificent landscaping and a wooden deck. Modern kitchen with dark gray cabinets, island and white countertop. Stylishly furnished living room. What do you think about this warm and cozy home interior? Like the previously presented home, this adorable small house is nestled in the middle of a fabulous landscape. The huge windows allow you to immerse yourself in the magnificent view. Square-shaped open space, the light color palette, and plenty of natural light make the space look larger than it really is. Let's step into a small house where modernity meets timeless elegance. The ground floor unfolds as an open space bathed in a sophisticated color palette of black, white, and gray hues. At the heart of this chic ensemble is a sleek modern fireplace, a focal point that radiates warmth and style. The walls are painted in a soft gray, providing perfect backdrop for the light gray wooden flooring that stretches through the space. Gray curtains drape the windows, adding a layer of textures and privacy while complementing the monochromatic theme. The kitchen is a marvel of understated luxury, with smooth gray cabinets offering ample storage. A pristine white island stands at the center, serving as both functional workspace and a social hub. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area boasts a bold black table surrounded by white chairs that offer a striking contrast. The living area is a testament to style and comfort, beautifully decorated. Welcome now to a stunning small and modern house tour. Step into the open space with a breathtaking slanted wooden ceiling, tile flooring, and exposed concrete wall, all beautifully accented with the blue, white, light gray, and natural wood color palette. The modern kitchen boasts white cabinets, a sleek gray island, and a warm wood countertop, while the simple yet stylishly furnished living room complements the perfect modern living space. Let's now take a virtual tour of this stunning modern small home featuring large windows, a slanted ceiling, and bright white walls. The spacious and comfortable living room is the perfect place to relax and entertain, complete with a modern fireplace for cozy night in. With its sleek design and ample natural light, this home is the epitome of modern comfort and style. And there you have it, folks. You've journeyed through the cozy rooms and chic corners of some truly inspiring small family homes. Remember, a stylish and trendy interior is not about the size, it's about the vision. Whether you are living in a quaint bungalow or a compact two-story, your home can be the epitome of stylish and comfort. If you joined this tour and found inspiration for your own space, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Share this video with friends who are looking for big ideas for small spaces and comment below with your favorite design tip from today's tour. Until next time, keep making your home your own stylish sanctuary. Thanks for watching House Tour number 24, Small Family Homes with Stylish and Trendy Interiors. Subscribe for more house tours and interior design ideas. Like if you are inspired to revamp your space, comment with your favorite design element from the tour. Ring the bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Stay trendy, stay stylish, and as always, stay tuned. Bye for now.